Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I'm going to be sharing a DIY sticker book. The main reason why I wanted to do this is because I have a lot of stickers that I don't necessarily use, I'm not going to use, and honestly they've been sitting in my storage, which is in the garage basically. I have a 12 by 12 plastic container from Michael's, one of those very inexpensive ones. Um, so I have a plastic container that holds my 12 by 12 sticker sheets. And I also had this little one that I know I sped through it, or through the video and you guys didn't see it. But I also have a smaller plastic container that also had stickers, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like I love stickers. I think that's like my second favorite crafty stuff I like. Sometimes I just like collecting them just to collect them. just to just to hoard them, to be honest. And so I am doing a Valentine's Day craft swap with my friend Susan. And I was like, okay, like I know I have Valentine stickers. You guys saw that I hauled some of them recently in the video. And I was like, okay, yes, I'll get some new ones for, for her, but I will also need to include some of the ones I'm trying to get rid of. So this video is just gonna show that, you guys. I ended up having way too much. My intent was one, I was gonna do one for Susan, and then I was like, wait a minute, I have enough to make two. And I'm gonna give them to another crafty friend. I'm gonna make it for her and send it in like Happy Mail and stuff like that. And I was like, wait, I have enough for two. And then when it was all said and done, because this took like a while, a couple hours to sort through the stickers. And you guys don't need to see this, by the way. If you guys just want to skip to the end and see, the final results, by all means, because this is honestly just me cutting the larger pages, the 12 by 12 pages, cutting them to size so that I could put them inside the pages of the book, which is just a 4 by 6 um, picture album from Michael's. And when it all was said and done, you guys, I probably had enough for maybe 6 of those books, but I only ended up doing 4 that actually show and fit here. I'm actually going to send all the extra stickers in just the boxes by themselves, because obviously the mini album doesn't have enough pages for everything, and they were already getting super thick. So you're not gonna hurt my feelings, believe me, I know. Basically here I am what am I doing? I feel like, oh, I'm removing. So when you get a sticker, you have like the outline of that empty space. And I'm removing all of that so that I can cut these pages. This is actually like a planner book. Um, and I am going to be moving the pictures, rearrange, not pictures, geez. I'm going to be rearranging the stickers and then just basically cutting them in half so that they fit in the mini album. Um, I did the same thing for the 12 by 12s, and there's nothing to it. That's why I'm saying you're not going to hurt my feelings if you guys skip to the end part. I think I'll try to put the timestamp if I could figure out how to do that. Don't quote me. Don't quote me on that. Here I'm just going to be decorating the front of the sticker books. Just something simple, something to help me get rid of like more stickers and some cutouts that I haven't been using. I recently did or you guys will see coming up really a few days from now, you'll see me decluttering my ephemera as well. So I was just using some of that to decorate the front of this book. So I called it a sticker book, but it's honestly like an album of, like a picture album, so I don't know. But anyways, that's gonna be the video, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed. I'll see you guys at the end. So you guys could, I just do like a quick flip through of all 4 albums, and then I will tell you now, although you'll probably hear it again at the end of the video, because I ended up having extras. 2 of these little books are going to be put in the box for the next giveaway. So you guys just stay tuned for that. You guys know that I keep a box in my garage with things I buy, with things I make, and just share crafty things to crafty friends like you guys. So hopefully you guys like it. Thank you for watching, and see you guys at the end. Alright, so here are the 4 little sticker books that I have made. I thought that I was only going to do 2, but I had the 2 extra where I had my own stickers, and I am decluttering. So sharing these, I am going to send 2 of them to crafty friends, and then the other 2 will be put in the box, the giveaway box that somehow always stays in the garage. So I just wanted to show you guys really quick. I don't want to flip through everything. Most of the stuff is Valentine's Day, but some of the stuff is stuff that I just had. You guys saw how I cut the sizes and kind of put stickers together, some from my own stash. Again, I just wanted to declutter because I had way too much, more than I needed. So just added some. I don't think I need to flip through all of them. You guys just saw. So that's that one. Although, and then see. Again, mostly Valentine's, but there is some stuff that's like just everyday things that I had, wasn't using. So simple, easy way to get rid of. All of these are a 12 by 12 paper sheet that I just cut down and repositioned the stickers. And then these are just regular sheets. See, and that's it. Kept it very simple at the front. No additional decorations, honestly, because it is almost, it's 8:13, but for some reason it felt like it was midnight already. People are still doing fireworks for the new year, so see. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I thought it was a really neat idea to declutter stickers, but also to do a nice little Valentine's Day craft that's going to be going to my friend Susan. And then the other one, I have another crafty friend in mind. And the other 2 are going to be put for the giveaway. So I hope that you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much. I hope that it gives you an idea on a neat little gift for somebody, for a crafty friend. And it also helps you declutter, which was my main My main purpose is I wanted to get rid of some stickers. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.